Hello. How are you guys doing? Is it okay for me to approach?
Yeah,
The
yeah,
energy's
come
not right. Let's talk a little bit about you and the work that you do. You're a technician.
Yes.
All right, we don't get to see a lot of female technicians. What do you have to say to a young girl out there, Ashebeletseng, to say, hey, you can also come in and join in on the fun?
It's possible. I mean, I'm just like a girl
Yeah.
from the village, you know.
Yeah,
So, yeah.
dreams are valid. I absolutely love that. Listen, how are you?
I'm okay. How
I have
are
a
you?
problem. I'm worried about you.
Hey, gang.
Apparently, ho thwe batla o suba le dishaka wena butuaka, and dia lo mantho tseo ba.
I know, Rorisang like our first star, you know, because like I love them. It's just that fear that people have of the sharks.
Yeah.
That attracts me to like
To it.
actually know them better, you know, because I
A
mean.
little bit worried. Let's maybe convince him to laugh money. Talk to me about some of the incredible work that you're doing. And I know you're playing for something really special here today. Share it with South Africa.
Well, I love to do charity work. At the moment, I'm working with an NPO called Angels of Hope, and we're
Nice.
doing a blanket drive.
All righty. Okay. We want to swim with sharks. We want to make blankets. We're technicians. Listen, it's going to be a great evening. I think they're ready to get into the very first game for the night. The category is classic movies. Lesego? Landing on 200 Rand.
B.
The letter B for 200 Rand. Unfortunately, no B. Zandile? You've landed on 100 Rand.
T.
The letter T. Yo, unfortunately, no T. Zandile? R250.
The letter S, please.
The letter S. All right, 2 S's, that's 500 Rand. R200.
The letter M.
The letter M. Unfortunately, no M. Landing on 300 Rand, sir.
K.
The letter K. No K. Ferouza? R100. Let's go forward with it. What's your pick?
H.
The letter H. All right, 1H, 100 Rand. Landing on 250 Rand, your pick?
G.
The letter G. All right, 1G, 250 Rand. Unfortunately, you've landed on a bankrupt. Zandile, it means you're up next. Oh, eh. Kalama bankrupt, Pella. Lesego? Unfortunately, you've landed on loser turn. Do you guys want us to have a little khotla just to talk about what's going on? Is everybody fine? Make me proud. Spin the wheel. R500. What's your pick?
L.
The letter L. All right, 2 L's. That's 1,000 Rand.
Can I buy a vowel?
Okay, we're going shopping. What are we buying?
E.
The letter E for 100 Rand. Ah, man, that 900, just like that, gone back to zero.
I don't have a choice to speak.
All right, you've landed on 150 Rand.
Letter P, please.
The letter P. All right, 1P, 150. All right, you've landed on 100 Rand.
Letter C.
The letter C. All right, 1C, 100. R200.
R.
The letter R. 250 Rand.
Can I have the letter Y?
The letter Y. All right, 1Y, 250 Rand.
Or buy a vowel. The letter O.
O for 100 Rand. landing on 200 Rand. What's your pick?
In.
The letter N. No N. R350. What's your pick?
D.
The letter D. 1 D loaded in. That's 350 in your account. Beautiful. 150 Rand.
A J, please.
The letter J. All right there. 1 J loaded. 150 Rand.
Solve.
Solve?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Jaws, Goodfellas, Psycho.
Yay! And there you have it. Your bank balance was sitting at 500 Rand, but because the top value is 800 Rand, we awarded you 800 Rand. Shoo, it was intense. Bankrupt, loser turn. I was a bit worried there, but you guys have done all so well. Let's have a final look at our bank balances. Zandile sitting on 500 Rand, Ferouza sitting on 1,300. And now we have a winner. Lesego coming through at 2,300 Rand. Going to the bonus round where you stand a chance to win 100,000 Rand or the beautiful Suzuki Fronx GLX valued at over 300,000 Rand.
I'm
You feeling good?
great.
You feeling ready?
Yeah.
Alrighty, let's give it up for the ladies. Thank you so much for joining us, ladies, and giving us such a great game. I'm super excited to see how it's all going to play out. He wants to swim with sharks. We want him to swim in the money. Lesego finally making it into the bonus round. 24 beautiful golden envelopes, all filled with amazing prizes. Talk to me about your little girl. She's 3 years old. You're playing for her tonight.
Yeah.
If you win, what would that mean for you and your baby girl?
Everything, toys, those Teletubbies, everything.
Everything she wants, she'll be able to get.
Yeah.
So you're going to spoil her.
Exactly.
Oh, I love dad girls. You guys are absolutely amazing. Alrighty, without any waste of time, we're doing it for the baby girl. Spin the wheel, sir. Alrighty, how'll you ready for you?
Why is it so heavy?
Maybe it's okay. So dramatic. Okay, Lesego, you look ready, but in order for you to play the bonus round, you're gonna have to choose between 3 categories. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. All right. Your 3 categories are sport stars, songs and artists, food and drink. Which one are you gonna go with?
Sports stars.
Sports stars?
Yeah.
Garao Shoji.
Arabo.
Well, it's already in. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Lead the way, sir. All right, let's go the category sport stars. Let's have a look at your word puzzle. There you have it. We're gonna help you out a little bit tonight by giving you 5 consonants and 1 vowel.
Yeah.
They are R, S, T, L, N, and the vowel E. Let's see how many of them made it into your word puzzle. I'm gonna give you an opportunity to populate it a little bit more. I need 3 consonants and 1 vowel. What's your pick, sir?
M, G, K, A.
All right, let's have a look and see how many of those populates your word puzzle. All right, sir, you've got 10 seconds to figure it out in the category sports stars. Your 10 seconds starts now. Good luck.
Omar. Yo.
So close! Unana gimang, okay, she bisisi hanky.
Nekiwana Omar. Akitsebe.
Let's find out together. Let's find out together. Omar Henry, legendary cricket player. Ay.
So close.
Why? All right, so close, but you've done incredibly well here tonight.
Yeah.
Let's find out what you could have walked away with today. Are you ready to see?
Uh-huh. Yeah, check.
Fana.
Ooh.
You ain't nah. 20,000 just like that, so close.
It's really heavy.
No, Askisi. But you know what? Like I said, you played a very good game today. Let's find out what your grand total that you're walking away with is. 2,300 Rand! You know what? I'm speaking on behalf of your daughter. You could do a lot of things with 2,300 that she would absolutely enjoy. A big thank you to you for playing along and making this game such a special one tonight. And of course to all our other contestants and to South Sea for making it all possible.